Hey friends, I'm so excited to tell you about my new class on the Pragmatic Works on-demand learning platform, Delta Lake in Databricks. In this class, we're going to talk about what is the Delta Lake, how is it different than the data lake, and also how does it compare to things like your traditional data warehouse. We're going to be leveraging a Databricks environment to access the Delta Lake using a Spark cluster for compute, and then going through and working with how do we convert a CSV or a Parquet file to a Delta format, and then also working with very many different Delta Lake capabilities, including things like going through and wanting to operate on our Delta tables using CRUD operations, not CRUD like bad, but create, read, update, and delete operations. And then also going through and showing how to clean up and manage our files on our data lake with our Delta tables. And you're like, what are you talking about? Check the class out. You got to do it. It's awesome. Delta Lake is becoming a very, very popular tool. It's being leveraged in things like Microsoft Fabric, and this is going in depth and looking at an analysis of how to go through and manage these Delta tables using a Databricks environment. So if you're interested, definitely go check the class out, and I hope to see you there.